If I could explain it to the average person, I wouldn't have been worth the Nobel Prize. It doesn't matter how beautiful your theory is. It doesn't matter how smart you are. If it doesn't agree with experiment, it's wrong. I would rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned. Physics is to math what sex is to masturbation. If you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics. Physics has a history of synthesizing many phenomena into a few theories. Physics is like sex. Sure, it may give some practical results, but that's not why we do it. Science is the belief in the ignorance of experts. I believe that a scientist looking at non-scientific problems is just as dumb as the next guy. If you thought that science was certain, well, that is just an error on your part. The thing that doesn't fit is the thing that's the most interesting, the part that doesn't go according to what you expected. Religion is a culture of faith. Science is a culture of doubt. Philosophers say a great deal about what is absolutely necessary for science, and it is always, so far as one can see, rather naive and probably wrong. Poets say science takes away from the beauty of the stars mere globs of gas, atoms. I, too, can see the stars on a desert night and feel them. But do I see less or more? Our responsibility is to do what we can, learn what we can, improve the solutions, and pass them on. First, figure out why you want the students to learn the subject and what you want them to know, and the method will result more or less by common sense. We are trying to prove ourselves wrong as quickly as possible, because only in that way can we find progress. I don't know what's the matter with people. They don't learn by understanding, they learn by some other way, by rote or something. Their knowledge is so fragile. If you can't explain something to a first-year student, then you haven't really understood. Our imagination is stretched to the utmost, not as in fiction, to imagine things which are not really there, but just to comprehend those things which are there. In this age of specialization, men who thoroughly know one field are often incompetent to discuss another. I was born not knowing, and have only had a little time to change that here and there. I believe that a scientist looking at non-scientific problems is just as dumb as the next guy, and when he talks about a non-scientific matter, he will sound as naive as anyone untrained in the matter. There is no harm in doubt and skepticism, for it is through these that new discoveries are made.